Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, student. How are you today? I hope everybody is okay. Well, today we are going to study in this unit of do it step by step, and especially to study about how to breed chickens. In this exercise, you will listen how to breed chicken while listen, look at the text and complete the missing words. Okay, are you ready? Let's check it out.
Unit 9. Do it step by step. Task 1. Listen to the speaker to fill the blanks.
How to breed chicken. First, find out if it is legal to keep chickens in your area. Second, make sure that you can house the new chickens. Many people don't take into account that when you breed chickens, you will end up with significantly more chickens than you started with. Ensure that your chicken coop is ready for the new additions to your flock. Keep spare coops and equipment around so you are prepared to separate roosters or bellies of the flock. Sometimes you just won't have enough room to keep all chickens in one coop, or you might get a few more roosters than hens that are aggressive towards each other. Third, decide if you want to take a chance on more roosters. Breeding chickens will result in about 50% male chicks. Male chickens will not contribute to your egg production. It's larger amounts of food and will significantly increase the noise level of your flock. Fourth, obtain a rooster. In order to fertilize your hen's eggs, you will need a rooster in prime breeding condition. The rooster doesn't need to be in the same breed as your hens in order to mate. You should have one rooster for every 10 hens. 5. Start breeding in the spring. Although you can breed chickens throughout most of the year, chickens bred in the spring tend to be stronger. Chickens born in the spring will begin producing eggs in autumn. You do not need to do anything special in order to breed your chickens. Just introduce the rooster to your flock and let nature take its course. 6. Decide between incubating the egg yourself or allowing the hen to raise her chicks. If you rely on your hens for egg laying, letting the hen raise the egg will result in about 3 months of lost egg production, or 21 days to set and hatch her clutch, another 2 months to raise her babies before she starts laying again. You will also need a broody hen, which means she is willing to sit on the egg for the entire incubation period.